Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the subject is maths. Maths. The first topic of the maths is many objects and different shapes. We'll be having the many object, different types of objects we have. For the different objects, there will be different shapes. So we'll learn in this chapter about the many objects and the different shapes. Obviously, I'm thinking that you all know the shapes of the maths. There will be a square, rectangle, triangle, circle. These are all related to maths, shapes of the maths. So this is known as the square. In square, what do you know? All the four sides will be equal. Coming to the rectangle, these two sides will be equal and the other two sides will be equal. This is the rectangle. Coming to triangle, this is the shape of the triangle. Next, this is the shape of the circle. In the circle, we'll be having a center point from here to here. This is the diameter. Half of the diameter will be half of the diameter is radius. Half of the diameter is radius. This is the circle. Okay. Next, coming to the next, these are all 2D shapes. Coming to 3D shapes, these are all related to 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Coming to 3D shapes, we have this is the shape of the cube. For this cube, we will be having a 6 faces, 12 edges and the 8 vertices. For example, I am going to show an object. It is related to cube. Yeah, this is the shape of the cube. Okay, this is the shape of the cube. See, we will be having 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. These are the faces of the cube. We will be having total 6 faces and 12 edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the 12 edges we have. And coming to the vertices, there are 8 vertices we have. Vertices is also known as corners of the cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 vertices or the 8 corners of the cube. Is it okay? Okay. Coming to the next example of cube is the chalk piece box. And next one is the cuboid. This is the cuboid. Same thing, for this also will be having cuboid. For this cuboid also will be having 6 faces, 12 edges and the 8 vertices. Okay, for this example of this cuboid is the matchbox. Okay, yeah, example of cuboid is the matchbox. And the book we have, which we use the book. Okay, I'll show you the how the book will be example of cuboid. Book is an example of cuboid. So for this book, we'll be having 6 faces. See, let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 faces of cuboid. Next, coming to vertices. We have, how many vertices we have in this? There are 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 8. There are 8 vertices we have in this cuboid. Next we have edges. There are 12 edges for this book. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and the last one is the 12. There are 12 edges we have in this cuboid. These two are the 3D objects. These two are the 3D objects or the 3D shapes of this chapter. And the next shape of this chapter is cone. In this cone, how many corners we have? Only one corner. Okay. This is the shape of the cone. Bottom of the cone is in which shape? Bottom of the cone is in circular shape. Bottom of cone is in circular shape. Bottom of the cone is in circular shape. And the next one is the kite shape. There are 4 vertices A, B, C, D. Okay, kite. This is called a kite shape. For this is the example of this shape is heap of stone. Example is kite, which we fly a kite on Sankranti. That is the example of this kite shape. And for the cone is the example of heap of stones. Heap of stones is an example of cone. And the next shape is the cylinder. This is the shape of the cylinder. Next, coming to the lines, we have different lines. So first one is this is the line, which the line will ends with there is no beginning or the end point. For a line has no beginning and end point. No beginning and the end point. Coming to the line segment. There will be, for this line segment, will be having beginning and the end points. Okay. Line segment. A line segment has 2 end points. Coming to the next one, this is the ray. For this ray, we have only one end point. Next one, this is the straight line. This is the straight line. This is the, if angle bends inside, then it is an acute angle. It forms an acute angle. When it is in straight line, the angle will be 90 degrees. So it is a right angle. If the angle bends outside, then it is an obtuse angle. So we have completed this explanation from this chapter. Next we have the multiple choices from this chapter. First one is the shape of the shape which you are seeing. The shape, it is an example of cone. Okay, how many corners we have in a cube? There are 8 corners we have in a cube. Surface of a cuboid is in the shape of which shape? If you see the shape of the cuboid, then the surface, flat surface will be having, that is the square shape. It is in 2D shape. Coming to the next one, edges of a cuboid. How many edges will be there in cuboid? 12 edges. Number of corners. Do we have a number of corners in a ball? No. So 0. We have to choose an answer as 0. So if you observe the soap box, it is an example of cuboid. How many corners of a cone we have? Only one corner. If you observe this this is the corner of a cone, so only one corner we have. Okay. Next, chalk piece box is an example of cube. Water drum is an example of cylinder. Next, shape of a base of a cone is in circular shape. If you observe an example of cone ice cream, then top of the base part, it is in a circle shape. So circle base of a cone will be in a circle shape. If you observe a next question, surface of a cube is in dash shape, well, a square shape. Okay, top is an example of dash shape cone. The children will play with a top game, so that is in a cone shape. If you see this nut, it gives an which shape? It gives an cube shape. Okay, it gives an cube shape. Sweet box is an example of cuboid. Can you tell me the cuboid shape from these examples? Shoebox is an example of cuboid. Okay, coming to pencil, pencil will be in a two shapes. One is a cylinder and the other one is a cone. Okay, carrot is an example of cone. Laddu is an example of sphere. Okay, number of edges we have in a book is 12 edges. Obviously, we will be having 12 edges in a book. Ice cream will be an example of cone. Coming to the next questions, these are all the questions you need to do. If you observe this diagram figure, if I have a 3 dice, I have joined them in a height wise, one and the up. So what's the centimeter it will be? So what the centimeter it will be formed? సో ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఆల్వేస్ 1. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ పైన ఒక్కదాని పైన ఒకటి పెట్టామనుకోండి, మనకి సెంటీమీటర్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవ్వదు అనమాట. ఒకవేళ పక్కన సైడ్ బై సైడ్ పెడితే మనకి సెంటీమీటర్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ హైట్ బై హైట్ అన్నారు, అంటే ఒకదానిపైన ఒకటి పెట్టామంటే మనకి సెంటీమీటర్ అనేది ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ 1 centimeter. ఓకే, డూ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఎడ్జెస్ ఇన్ దిస్ football? No, so the answer will be none. They hadn't given the 0, so the answer will be none. Coming to this next question, if you observe 2 cubes, which contains more surface in this cube? Obviously 10 centimeters will contains the more surface area. Okay, if you observe this, identify the net of a soap box. From which shape you are going to form a net of a soap box? Those first one is the option answer. If you observe this, you can, by these shapes, net shape, you can also do the net of a soap box. Yeah, these are all the questions from this chapter do we have. Okay, if you observe this first pattern, we need to complete the pattern here. They have given the first this part, so they have neglected this, so the next pattern is this one. If you in the same way we need to do the next one. If you neglect this, what the shape will comes here? So this is what the shape will get here. Here they have given this one pattern, and the what comes next they are asking. So count. 1, only 1 we have here. 2, next 3 we have, next 4 we have. After that 4, there is a sequence of numbers. So after 4 we'll be having 5. So for the A option we'll be having 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the option of A is the correct answer. Okay, got it? Yeah, coming to the next question, if you observe the dice, take a 2 dice. which one is the leftover in this dots. Okay, how many dots will be on the top, you need to tell me. Okay, that is a third one. There is a proof reason that 4 points are shown on the top of the position, right? Here if you observe these two dice, they have shown the 4 dots. Next, 1 dot, 2 point, 1 point, 2 points, 5 points, 6 points are visible. If you see in this 1 and 2, you can see in this 5 and 6, you can see the leftover which we not visible in this dice is, that is 3. So 3 will come on the top of the die. If you count this cubes, how many cubes will be having? There are 27 cubes. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In this way we got a 9. So if you do this, here we have 3. So 9 3s are 27. So the answer is 27. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Thank you.